Hey, hey, hey! This is a short video from my friend Pam. I'm trying to teach her. I call her Manja Cake because she's not Italian. I call everybody who's not Italian a Manja Cake. I don't know why. They eat cake? I don't know. Anyway, I'm making spaghetti sauce. So I've already cut the onions, diced them, chopped them, whatever you want to do to them. Onions, that's about half an onion, and about 5 cloves of garlic. Then I've got 3 bottles of muti tomatoes. Okay, you can use whatever tomatoes you want. Okay, these are called muti. And then I have crushed 1 can of crushed tomatoes. And in my pot, I have half a cup or less, whatever you want, of olive oil. Now I'm going to show you what I do with this to make Signora spaghetti sauce. Okay, I'm going to turn my stove on, very low, warm up the oil, kiddoke, let that warm up. Okay, so now we're gonna make the spaghetti sauce. I've got, in my pot, I have about almost a half a cup of olive oil. Now I'm heating it up. I'm going to add my garlic and my onions. As you can see, I chopped them up. Oh, where are they? They're there. I have about half a large onion and about 4 or 5 garlic diced. I'll put the garlic first. Okay, let them saute a little bit. Don't put it on too high. You don't want it to burn. Yeah, don't put it on a little bit high. So I'm taking it off the stove. There. I've lowered the temperature. I will now add the onion, half an onion. There we go, half an onion. There we go. Half an onion. Let that saute. If you want to sing, you can. I don't know if that helps the sauce. La 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 la. Sautéing the onions today with the garlic. The aroma is coming my way. Oh, yes, sirree. Yep, nice and slow saute so the flavor comes onto the oil and it doesn't burn. Okay, I'm going to be adding some chili pepper. You don't have to, it's what you want. As long as you got the flavor of the onion and the garlic for your sauce. This is just going to be a plain sauce. I don't have any ground beef. So what I'm going to do though, after it's made, open a couple of cans of tuna. I'll show you after. And have spaghetti with tuna. It's delicious. I like it. I don't know. All depends if you like tuna. So I'm going to put some chili pepper now. Here's the chili pepper. Crushed chili. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Kind of hard to cook and video at the same time, but hope you can see that. And I'm just going to do a few shakes. Okay? You can do whatever you want. If you like it hot, shake away. If not, shake whatever you want. So you can see the chili in there. It's going to saute. Beautiful. La la la. Okay, so spend a couple minutes, 2-3 minutes. The onions and garlic are translucent. I think that's the word. They are nice and fried. Gonna go into this aroma, so it smells so good. All right, now I'm going to add the tomatoes. So when you think, they're done, you can tell, you don't want to burn, but they're nice and, what's the word? You can see through them, translucent? I don't know. Anyway, you can figure out when garlic and onions are done. I'm going to add 3 bottles of a muti. Here's a muti passata. Sorry, I'll give you the English version. Muti passata, strained tomatoes. That's the brand I like. Well, you can use any brand you want. I use 3 bottles, and they're 7.96 mils per bottle. Okay, 7.96. Okay, there we go. One. Excuse me. 2 and 3. Okay, got that. Stir that around. It looks like a lot of oil, but this is like for 4 meals for 3 people. I don't know, if you have more, then it'll be less. It depends how much sauce you like. Now I'm going to add 1 can of crushed tomatoes, and the can is 28 ounces, which is the same as the passata muti strained tomatoes. 7.96 mils is 28 ounces, all right? So I'm gonna put 1 can of these tomatoes in there. I don't know, my hands are wet, sorry. There, do it this way. Okay, so I have the heat on low for now until I get everything mixed. Okay. So I just added a little bit of water to the Unico crushed tomatoes just to get the leftover tomatoes out of there, okay? Just a little bit. And now I'm going to do the same with the, what are they called? Strained tomatoes, the muti. There. I'm going to add some water to get the extra tomatoes out of there. That's stuck to the side, all right? I'll be back. So I've put about, let me see, 1/4 of the bottle of water. I don't know if you can see that, 1/4 of the bottle water. And I've shaken it up, as you can see. Then I'm going to add it to the other bottle. And shake that up. And finally, to the last bottle. I don't think you have to see this because I'm just putting it in, shaking them, getting the extra excess, whatever, I can't say the word. So now it's almost 3/4 full. No, but half, because all the sauce is off the bottle there. I'm just gonna add a touch more water. I hate leaving sauce in here. I'm gonna do it to this bottle again. You know what I mean? I'm just getting the stuff on the sides off. Okay? That's that. I'm gonna stir. Okay, there. Now I'm going to add some bay leaves that I got from my garden this summer. I froze them. It's whatever amount you want. I'm just gonna get a handful and crush them in. See? Oops. Not bay leaves, I'm sorry. Basil. Is that the same thing? Basil? I don't know. Basil. Just gonna wash my hands. Got some bay leaves in there. I'm going to add salt, pepper, a little bit of oregano. And it's heating up there. Nice. Basil, sorry. Stir that in there. So if you like oregano, you can add it. I'm going to add it right now. I just shake, up to you, whatever you want. 1 shake, 2 shake, 3 shake. That's enough. Okay. Oregano. I'm not very good with spices. My sister-in-law's always tastes better because she knows how much and what to put, but I think I do pretty good. And my sister too, they're both excellent cooks. Okay, now it started boiling, so I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Okay, that's how much I like. I'm going to taste it after, see if I need more. Hopefully not less. If I need less, I'll have to put more, maybe dilute it with water, but I don't think so. Okay, half a tablespoon of salt. And I like to add pepper. Like I said, you do whatever you like. I'm gonna grind some in there. 1, 2, 3. That's the pepper I like. You do whatever you want. Okay, stir that. And I like to let it simmer for a couple hours. Sometimes, for sure, an hour and a half. You can see when the oil comes up to the top, and that's ready. I will keep you posted and show you what it looks like at the end. Okay? Thank you for watching. Like I said, when I want to have tuna in it, I'll show you later. It's not that hard. Just add the can of tuna, stir, and serve on your spaghetti. So, my dear friend Pamela, you know who you are. I want you to make the sauce and tell me. Don't buy it already made. Okay? Thank you for watching.